Find point P on segment AB so that the ratio of AP to PB is 2 to 3. A is at -3, 2, and B is at 2, -8. There are two ways to solve this problem, which are graphing and algebra. Let's do graphing first. So first thing, let's graph the segment AB. Here you can see we've graphed the segment in red with A at -3, 2 and B at 2, -8. Next, find the x and y distance between the 2 points. The dashed black line represents the x distance and the dashed blue line represents the y distance. As we can see, the x distance is 5 and the y distance is 10. Next, we need to find what the ratio of AP to AB is. Since we have the ratio of AP to PB, and we know that the segment AP plus the segment PB makes up the segment AB, we can say that the ratio of AP to AB is 2 to 2 plus 3, which is 2 to 5. This means that point P is 2/5 of the way from point A to point B. 2/5 of the x distance is 2/5 times 5, which is 2. 2 units to the right of A in the x direction is -1. We go to the right because point B is to the right of point A. The dotted purple line shows the x-coordinate of point P, which is -1. 2/5 of the y distance is 2/5 times 10, which is 4. 4 units down from point A in the y direction is -2. We go down because point B is below point A. The second dotted purple line shows the y-coordinate of point P, which is -2. So now we can plot point P at -1, -2. The second way to solve this problem is algebra. We can set up the equations for the x and y coordinates of point P. Px, the x-coordinate of point P, is equal to ax, the x-coordinate of point A, plus the ratio of AP to AB times, in parentheses, bx, the x-coordinate of point B, minus ax. In the same way, py is equal to ay plus the ratio of AP to AB times, in parentheses, by minus ay. Substituting into these equations gives us px equals -3 plus 2/5 times 5, which is -3 plus 2, which is -1, and py equals 2 plus 2/5 times -10, which is 2 plus a -4, which is -2. This gives us px equals -1 and py equals -2, which means point P is located at -1, -2.